we are using currently? Notepad. Notepad, if you save any file generally, .txt it will come as extension. In Notepad, if you save any data, by default extension .txt. But if double quotations, if I'm not used, sir, a system adding again .txt. But what is our total file name? Demo.html.txt. It's a text file, not a HTML program. For stopping of these extra things, just use the double quotes front and back. Somebody what they are doing, sir, and instead of double quotes, save as option is there, na? This one changing. Save as all files. But actually think once, sir. Go into the second option, changing these options. Instead of that, double quotations using is always a shortcut. Think yourself also. You don't need to use the mouse and you don't need to change the option. Just double quotations is enough. And save it. Program saved successfully in my system. The name of the program is demo.html, stored in the E drive. Typing, saving. First phase is completed. Next, execution phase. How to run this program, sir? Open any browser. Open any of the browser. Google Chrome, Edge browser, Firefox, Safari, UC browser, whatever it may be. Open any browser, sir. I'm going to opening the Google Chrome. This is our Google Chrome browser. Next, where you saved the program, write the complete address here, including extension. Your file name, extension plus location, complete address required. So :demo.html. This is typing. Complete address required, sir. By chance, if any one letter missing, sir, we'll get the error. So right now I don't have any problem. Properly I typed here and press enter. Your output is ready. This is our output. Just type the address of your program and press enter. Directly output comes. The separate compilations or separate translations not required. Browser will manage everything. Browser translating your program, browser executing your program, and browser producing output of your program also. Just you have to focus how to write the address of the file. Generally mistakes what we are doing, sir. Sometimes when you are practicing the first time, extension not given. Who are very first time working with HTML, they're missing the extension. You will get this error. File not found. But with this name, there is no program found in the system. So while practicing of the HTML program, if you got anywhere this message, the only reason is address not given properly. The one and only reason, address not typed properly. So add the extension and press enter, sir. This is. So what happens now, sir? We designed our first web page with a simple line, hello world. Yes, sir, you are believing or not, this is our web page. This is our web page. See, side by side, just an awareness purpose. This is Facebook login page and this is our own web page. Facebook contains the so many items. Web page contains only one item. Day to day, we are also increasing the content. Demonstration 100 lines of program, how it is possible, sir. So day to day topics are increasing, programs are increasing, and content is also going to increase. This is web page, this is web page. But it contains the so many items and our program contains only one item. That is this single line. Next. The next one, program typing completed and execution is also completed. So after execution of the program, can I make any modifications in the source code, sir? Yes, 100%, sir. Lifelong you can modify the program. That's not a problem. So go to here. I'm adding some additional symbols. Hello world followed by 3 exclamations. My intention not exclamation. Code modifications possible. Yes. If I modify the code, what are the further steps we have to perform? That is I'm trying to convey here. So already executed program source code we modified. Already executed program source code we modified. Next, what to do, sir? Resave the program, go to the browser, refresh the button page. Resaving compulsory, sir. Refreshing is also compulsory. Again, file menu, save, done. And the second time not asking the name, sir. First time only it is asking the name. Second time it's overwriting in the same file. So code modified and resaving also done. Then go to the browser, refresh it. You know the refreshing of the web page very well because daily we are doing. Get a refresh icon available. Otherwise, keyboard F5 key is available. Otherwise, you can just place the cursor here, press enter key. Updated output, modified output. Next, again I'm modifying here, sir. But instead of exclamation symbols, I want to print a small smiley symbol, sir, just for attractiveness. Hello world. I'm using some special HTML operator for printing of smileys. We don't know meaning of this one, sir. Just for formality, I'm using here. Hello world followed by one small smiley symbol. And hash 128522. What is this, sir? Actually, it is called as the hexadecimal code. Similar to our programming languages, ASCII codes. If anybody have the programming knowledge a little bit, ASCII available. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The programming's concepts, sir. Same way, these are the HTML codes. What is the use of this code, sir? To print some special symbols, smileys. On a WhatsApp smiley symbols available. No? Why emojis, huh? That emoji printing this one. Yellow color. Save this program and refresh it. That is the thing. Only one symbol are supported, sir. No. WhatsApp, how many symbols available? They get 150 plus symbols available. That 150 plus symbols we can print here. How, sir? It is starting number 520, sir. 501 starting number. 501 to 650 continuously symbols. For every one number, one emoji comes. 501 to 650. If you type any of these numbers between these, for every number, one smiley symbol, one emoji, something comes. Really, yes, sir. Check it. 533. Next, 543. Who are not understanding my explanation, sir? Suppose currently, those reaction is this one. Who are unable to follow my explanations right now, who are unable to understand my explanations, those students' reaction. This what we'll get, we'll check it. The half understanding, half not understanding. Like that, up to 650, you will get compulsory one symbol, sir. I don't know meaning of this one. So we'll go to the starting symbol, 521. With understanding. Don't misunderstand the understanding. The Egypt mummy and I think. So 501, 502, 503, 504, 520, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 650 compulsory some symbols are comes. So when you have the free time, try to check it, that you'll get all the symbols. Don't focus on this one, sir. It's just for small entertainment purpose. I use it. That's all. The future topic we'll discuss in detail in future. Up to that, just remember it's one of the HTML operator. One of HTML operator. This is the way how to type the programs and how to execute the programs. So compared to other languages, here the variations available, sir. Try to follow that one. Type in Notepad, save in Notepad, then open the browser, type the address of your program. Then press enter key. You will get the output here like this. The next one, sir. Notepad is one universal editor. It's a universal editor, mostly available in all computers. But most of the students or peoples that doesn't like the Notepad. You also, me also. Reasons are color supports not available, special effects not comes, automatic typing is not possible, syntax highlightations also not possible. Plain format like as our classroom whiteboard style. But I need some special features, sir. Different colors are required, automatically syntax highlightation required. Editor should support to me, editor should help to me to type the code. Possible. We have some special editors, sir, for that one. One is Edit Plus. One of the front-end editor, HTML editor, Edit Plus. Second one is the Notepad++. One more. Both are the simple editors. Both are the simple editors. Simple means what is meaning, sir? Size of this software is 1 to 2 MB, one is the 3 MB. Edit Plus is 3 MB, sir, size. Notepad++ 2.3 MB. This much of softwares. So what is the advantage of these editors, sir? So the typing flexibility available. Screen comes a little bit colorfully. And sometimes they are helping the coding typing also. Some advantages available. Typing becomes overly easy. Which one we have to use, sir? Your interest, sir. Both are the small softwares. If you are interested, download the both and use the both. No objections. But one small difference is Notepad++ lifetime free software. No license required. But Edit Plus 1 month trial period, sir. 30 days free. This one is the lifetime free. First editor 30 days free trial, sir. 30 days after you have to purchase the license. And Notepad++ no need to purchase any licenses. So I'll show how to download and how to install these two softwares. Both available in our internet, sir. Just go and download it. editplus.com website name directly. editplus.com. This is the website name what I typed here. editplus.com. If you not remember it, then just use the Google search. It's not a problem. Here we have the download Edit Plus 5.6 version. This is this link. How much time it is taking download, sir? Half minute downloading, half minute installation. Downloads below half minute, installation also below half minute. After installation, any settings, configurations, class paths or environmental variables are required, sir. Nothing is required, sir. Just download, install and directly start the working. No settings needed. No environmental variables, no class settings, no path settings, etc., etc. So click on this, download, completed download, already downloaded. Half minute, small software, sir. Your audio song size is 6 MB. One audio song, movie song was 6 MB, but this software size is 3 MB. What about the installation process, sir? But actually, I have already Edit Plus, sir. If you want to see the installation process, first I should uninstall this one, because same software second time installation is not possible. I'm just uninstalling. Not much more time, sir. Existing software, I'm just uninstalling. Next, go to downloads folder. We already downloaded. Just go to downloads folder. This is the software, EPP, Edit Plus. Double click on this. Run or cancel? Run. Accept or decline? Accept. Yes or no? Yes. Start copying or cancel? Start copy. Done. Over. And that's all. Installation over. Congratulations, and setup completed successfully. Whenever the installation completed, sir, this icon comes here. So double click on that icon. Very first time Edit Plus is going to opens. Yes. Okay. It's asking the registration process. But a register available, trial available. Which one we have to select? Trial version. Register, if you want to select it, if you have already license code, then go for register. I'm going to clicking on trial version. Actually, my trial version over, because same explanation I given for previous batches also. Then only we got a small red message here. Observe 30 days evolution period has expired. In your system, what it is showing, sir? First day trial period activated. A message comes in your system, because you're first time installing this software. In place of 30, day 1 trial period activated. Then agree. My system already trial period over, so I have different message here. In your system, in place of this one, day 1 activated message comes up, then agree. Then this window closing, then you can start the working. 30 days, same processor. When you are opening the Edit Plus, day 2 activated, day 3 activated, up to day 30. 30 days completed after, you also get the same message only. But what are the options I have? Agree and quit. If I select the quit, sir, editor closed. If I select the agree, sir, a license asking. We don't have license, but we want to work it. What to do, sir? Nothing to do, sir. A window is there, no, sir. This window, just drag and drop this window at the edge of the monitor, then start your working normally. Simple thing. Just I go for working here. So we don't need to purchase any license. Daily it is asking, I'm daily doing the same thing only. Every day it is asking your license expired, purchase it. I'm saying I'll purchase tomorrow. Whenever it is asking, my answer is tomorrow. But tomorrow also asking us, sir. My answer tomorrow only. I'm standing on my answer, same answer, tomorrow. Tomorrow, which tomorrow? No idea. Or batch also completed. Same. So this is the small things, sir. Your systems first activated 30 days after this is forcing. You just drag this window and drop here, continue your working. Nothing special. So this is also unofficially free software only. We just did a small gambling operation. Next one. So this is the look of the Edit Plus, sir. Some menus available here. File menu, edit menu, something. And bottom some small toolbar is also available here. But what to do, sir? Go to the file menu, new, and select the HTML page. So if you want to develop the HTML programs in Edit Plus, select this one. When I select this one, sir, we'll get some outline automatically. When a structure of HTML is there, no? Those lines automatically system typing. I'm not typed, sir. System typed all these lines. You can start your coding directly from here. That's all. Editors are helping for us. Editors are supporting for us to simplify the typing and as well as the coding, both. Okay, typing completed. Welcome message. After typing of this one, how to run this program, sir? I already explained half an hour back. Save it, go to the browser, type the address. If you are not interested the saving and browser opening, address typing, long process, sir. Shortcut available, sir. Globe symbol available. Observe now here. Internet logo also this one. You just click on this symbol, you'll get directly output. Browsers opening not necessary. Addresses typing is also not necessary. You just click on that icon, sir. Direct output it will comes. My system, I have some small problem. In your systems, you can try it. You will get 100% output. A lot of times I installation, uninstall. Lot of times for every batch I'm showing this option. So internally OS a little bit corrupted. Some files missing. In your system, when you click on this browser icon, directly welcome message output displaying. Even you don't need to save the program. You don't need to open the browser and no need to type the address. Directly editor will manage those all the things. Next one, the code program the colorfully available. Observed. So is there any significance for these colors, sir? Yes, sir. Colors meanings available. Blue color is there, no? The blue color represents the tag names. What are the names appeared in the blue color? Those all are the tags. How you know that, sir? Okay, last session explanations you remember, but body is the tag or not? Because body before, body after angle brackets are available. Obviously, it is a tag, and that is also displaying in the blue color. So blue color appeared, all names are the tags. But we have some red color also here, sir. Yes, I'm explaining that also. Red representation is attributes. What are the names are appeared in the red color? Those generally attributes. Next, what is this pink? Pink is nothing but an magenta, actually, that one. EN is there na here. This is. What is the pink color representation, sir? Dark pink, also called as magenta. It is representing the values. The pink color representation is values. See that for your awareness, I'll type the some more words. And the real colors following are not just an idea purpose. See that? Lot of red words are available. All the red color words are the attributes. All the pink color words are the values. Blue color words are the tags. Next, one more color, what we have? Black. And a black color is there, sir. So what is this black color representation, sir? Our data, our text. What are the data we want to display on the web page? The data generally displaying in the black color. Or which data displayed in the black color? The data printing on the web page. The black color data aesthetically printing on the web page. Next, we'll get some green color also, sir. In this page, not available, but next example, green color also comes. So what is the green color representation, sir? Comments. All comments are appeared in the green color. These are the major colors, sir. As per the colors, you can easily identify your logic correct or wrong. Why I'm explaining these colors means when you're typing the program, this color not displayed. Compulsory some mistake is there in your program. Bro, HTML, you have one small thing. I hope you remember. It's not showing the errors. Browser never showing the errors. That all errors should be identified by us only. So better follow the colors. Really colors changing us, sir. Check it, sir. Body spelling wrong. Color changed? Yes. If you just focus the colors are, you can identify, oh, something mistake is there. That's only blue color is not getting. And width, sir. Different color. There's something mistake is available. Colors are helping to identify the mistakes easily. Advantage is that one. The edit plus policy, sir. Next one. In edit plus, actually, without typing the tags, we'll get code automatically. We don't need to type the tag names. System is producing the tag names automatically. So half of the work is reducing for you. How it is possible, sir? I'm just magnifying the screen once, observe. The first row menus available. File menu, edit menu, something. Second row, open, save, cut, copy, paste, something available. Third row, BIU, something is there. Na? This third line is all our HTML tags. Symbols available. Na? It's not symbols, your HTML tag name, that one. Really, yes, sir. Would click on the B symbol. What happens? Tag system typed. I am not typed here. Next, click on the I symbol. Tag. Click on the U symbol. Tag. Click on the NB. Tag. Click on this one. BR. Click on this one. Paragraph. Click on here H1, H2, H3. Your next topic is. Observe what happening? Who is typing all these tags? Editor only it is typing. Which tag you are expecting? A tag icon we are clicking. Automatically system typing the starting of the tag and ending of the tag. And as a developer, what to do? Just go to here and type your text. The half code you are writing, half code editor is typing. At the initial days, don't use this one, sir. Subject knowledge gone. Because you are depending on the system. You are not typing. So when you are not typing, sir, automatically you are not remembering. Initially type manually. After some days, then try to utilize these features. The best way. This total row is HTML tags, sir. This total row is HTML tag. Every link is a one tag. This is table tag. I need some tables, sir. Not done. See that so many lines. We editors some of the advantages. Typing simplifications available. Help is comes. Executions are easier. Saving normally. Plus highlightation of the code available in the different colors. What about the Notepad++, sir? Notepad++, tomorrow I'll explain it. And all editors at a time not correct to discuss. So first to practice this one, then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll explain the Notepad Edit Plus also. Sorry, Notepad++. Next week, I'll explain the Visual Studio Code. But this is the second way to type the programs and to practice the programs. One option, Notepad. Second option, this one. Third option, tomorrow we are learning. Fourth option, next week we'll go to discuss. Which one we have to practice it, sir? Your comfortability, sir. I'm not forcing anything. Purely your choice. Which one you likes, go to that one. What you are going to using, sir? Mostly I'm preferring to use the Edit Plus. My personal feeling. I like this editor very much. So the basics and how to install everything is over, sir. You observed, I think we are not did any settings. For example, Java students and Python students, I'm saying, sir, after installation of this software, you need a lot of settings, environmental variables or something. But here, nothing is required. And one more advantage is available, sir. But Edit Plus not only for HTML, your Java programs also you can practice in this editor. Really, yes, sir. See, I'll show you. What are the programs we can practice in this Edit Plus, sir? Almost 15 subjects we can practice here. 15 subjects. How we can identify that one, sir? File menu, new. What we have here, see? C program, C++ program, Perl program, Java program. The total supporting, if you want to know it, sir, go for others. This is the total list it is supported. Normal text files, you can type it. HTML programs, C, C++, Perl, PHP, Java, JSP, JavaScript, VB-script, CSS, XML, C#, Python, Ruby, SQL queries also you can practice here. These all subjects it is supported. One in many options. Advantage. Now every program we have that helps us. See that file menu, new, a C program. See that automatically C code is comes. Next file menu, new, Java, sir. Automatically Java outline it will comes. We can just type the class name and save it, run it. That's all. So our HTML it is useful, for your Java programs also it is useful. Now the first topic I'm going to starting here. Before starting the first topic, a small awareness point, sir. HTML is a different subject than your programming languages. In HTML, separately topics not available. But C, Java, .NET, if you go for, sir, data types, heading, or 2-3 days discussion, variables, 2-3 days, operators, 3 days, control statements, decision makings, loops, like that, some headings are comes. But in HTML, like that, we don't have any topics, headings, etc. Then what we are going to discussing, sir? HTML is a tag-oriented programming. I hope you remember this point. HTML is a tag-oriented. So from day 1 to day last, we are discussing tags only. So heading a topic name, no, tag name. Name of the tag, explanation, example. Well, again, tag name, explanation, example. Tag name, explanation, example. Some tags takes the 5 minutes explanation. Some tags takes the 1 hour explanation. Some shorter tags available. 2-3 minutes enough explanation. Some tags are 1.5 hour session required to discuss. Do you all are the programming students together mostly? So you have already one type of habituality pattern. This is with different pattern. That's initially a small heads up, just informing to your brain. Topics headings don't expect. Tags headings are comes here. So the very first tag I'm going to starting comments. First tags are official first tag of HTML, this one. Comments. So what is a comment? How to write a comments in HTML? That information it will comes. So why we have to write the comments there? Comments basically we use it for two purposes, two reasons. Reason number one, to provide some information about, comments are used to provide some information about program or logic. Providing some information about our program or logic. This one we can also say as a description of the program. The same sentence we can also say as a description of the program. Does somebody calling description of the program, sir? Somebody calling providing some information about the program. What is the meaning of this sentence, sir? And nothing else, sir. What are the program you are developing? What is the procedure you are following here? A small explanations we are writing in the top of the program. Small explanation. Advantage, sir, it is helpful in future. Today, why you are writing the logic, you can understand, sir. You are writing some 100 lines of code. In the 20th line, why you developed, sir? You remember, because today only developed the code. Or 10 days after, same 100 lines of program opening and observing of the lines possible, identifying of this line, why I typed. No, sir, 10 days is a gap. Anything is happens. So today's developmentation, today you are remembering, tomorrow you are remembering, maximum up to end of this week. Next, sir, slowly forgetting. Guarantee. 4 days back, what we discussed are topics related questions I am going to asking. Ready to answer all of you? 4 days back discussions. No, Gada. And that is the thing what I am explaining. We are human beings, right? Forgetting our right. Right to speak, how it is available. Why we are forgetting, sir? Day to day explanations increasing. The inflow is also increasing. Whenever the inflow is going on, sir, brain slowly erasing starting and the common thing. So then only future without getting any problems, for easy identification and understanding of your logics, better write always comments. I'm developing here the zone. So this step I developed for this reason. This function I developed for the so and so task. Just give the explanations. Oh, 5 minutes time wasting, sir, but it's very useful for future. This first advantage. Second advantage, sir. So to put some code in non-executable mode. Comments also used to put some code in non-executable mode. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Suppose I design 100 lines of code. 100 lines of code I developed. But in that I want to run the 50 lines of code only, sir. 50 lines I don't want to run, sir. Generally, a common student, what they are doing, sir, which lines they don't want to execute, that we are deleting in generally. Deleting and executing the balance code. After that, coming back to source code, restoring the deleted 50 lines. Mostly doing, sir. You are performing like that or not, I don't know. As per my previous experiences, I'm saying some lines of code you don't want to execute. Generally, we are deleting that lines and running the program. After testing of the program, sir, a deleted lines we are restoring again. By mistake, a restoring if you forget. By mistake, restoring if you forget. Your code go in the jump. So that's why don't delete any lines of the code. You just place inside the comments. So if you place any code in the comments, that code becomes as a non-executable. Any compiler, any interpreter, they're not touching that lines. Then syntax, how to type the comments in HTML. So this is the syntax to write the comments in HTML. Angle bracket, exclamation, hyphen, hyphen, sir. Two minuses away. Minus and minus. Then write your comments. Again, minus, minus, greater than. So this is the way to write or to type the comments in HTML. It's not my personal, sir, predefined. It is not my personal predefined. Next, is it single line comment or multi-line comments, sir? In HTML, we don't have single line, multi-line. We have just a comment only. This point, why I said especially under Java and C students' point of view, because you have the single line comments separately, multi-line comments separately, but HTML all in one style only. That is the single line, that is the multi-line also. You can observe now, I typed comments, yes, available. But you can write any number of. Other styles not available, sir. This is the only one style. Next, while typing of the comments, be careful, sir. There are 4 symbols available side by side. Less than, exclamation, minus, minus. Between these 4 symbols, by mistake, if you type the space, comment jump, program also jump. It's not a comment now. It is not a comment. Color changed. See that one. Or 10 minutes back, I already said comments should appear in the green color, but it's not in green color. But what happens, sir? This line also executing. This line output also comes into the program. Sir, after all, I given a space only, sir. After all, spaces, sir. But results so jada. So between the symbols, don't give any space. See that the right side also we have symbol together. Here I'm giving the space. What happens now? The whole program is considered as a comment, not the single line. The whole program is comment. So outputs are blank screen. It will comes. So the be careful with the spaces. It's very dangerous. So see here I'm writing like this. Example on the so-and-so tag. This is the comments why I'm using, sir. In this program, which tag we are discussing, a tag name I'm mentioning here. A tag related, the tag related, if any additional points available, sir, that I'm typing inside these comments only. Future, your reference also becomes easier. So this is single line comment. Then what about the multi-line comments, sir? Same symbol. Press enter key, data, enter, data. How many lines you want to comment? Type all the lines and close the symbol. First one single line comment, second one multi-line comment, but user symbol is same syntax only. Next explanation. Second tag of the HTML, heading tags. Second example, heading tags. And a comment tag example is not available, sir. Because comment if I write and run it, sir, we are not getting anything. Maybe somebody they are thinking comment tag theory explained, but sir program not shown. Comments program it's not possible to show. Next tag will get the example. Heading tags. Next one. HTML providing total 6 heading tags. HTML providing 6 heading tags. What are the names, sir? Those are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. HTML providing total 6 heading tags. The tags names are H1 to H6. A list of tags. But what is the purpose of these tags and why we have to use these tags, sir? Very simple, sir. All these 6 heading tags are used for displaying of headings only. Heading tags used for headings only, sir. How it is possible, sir? Chicken biryani inside chicken only available, mutton not available. We can't expect like that. So heading tags are used for displaying of the headings only. Generally some students doubt, sir, okay sir, heading tags, headings printing, but why 6 tags, sir? 1 or 2 is enough na, sir? 6 tags reason, 6 different sizes. 6 different sizes. Examples are main heading, subheading, side heading, special note points. Like this, we have to write something in our notes. Main heading, subheading, both same size generally. No, you are showing the size difference in your even notebook also. Then only HTML providing 6 varieties of headings. That's all. What is the difference between these 6, sir? That I'll type here. So these tags are used to print the text in heading format with different sizes. This is the purpose of the tags. Online students, why you are raising the hand continuously? I don't know any idea, sir, but it is disturbing on the screen. So please don't raise the hand. Please don't raise the hand. It's disturbing on the screen. Got a chat box available, sir. End of the session, you can drop the questions in chat box. I'm reply it. Okay. Better don't drop the raise the hands. Okay. So these 6 tags are used to print the text in heading formats with different sizes. H1 to H6, the only difference is sizes. H1 to H6, the only difference is sizes. Which is the biggest size, which is the smallest size, sir? H1 is the big size, sir. H6 is the small size. The number is increasing, size reducing. Whenever the number increasing, size is going to reducing. Except that, nothing special. Printing the data in heading formats with various sizes. Next. What is the nature of these tags are? Paired tags or unpaired tags or something else, sir? All these are the paired tags. All are paired tags and block level tags. The 6 tags are the paired tags and 6 tags are the block level tags. We know already what is the meaning of paired. Last session, we already discussed that one. Block level, no idea, sir. The next session, we are discussing what is meaning of block level. This paired plus block, both combined is called as behavior of the tag. Every tag, one behavior is available. The behavior specification is this one. Some tags paired, just I'm writing rough. Some tags paired block. And some tags paired but inline. Some tags are unpaired block. Some tags are unpaired and inline. Like the different behaviors are available. So these points are called as the tag behaviors. And the tag behaviors are your interview questions also. They're just listing the name of the tag and asking what is the nature of this tag. What is the nature of the tag is nothing but then what is the behavior of this tag. Paired, unpaired, block, inline, you have to say the points. Asking sir, those questions in interviews. But we don't know, sir, which tag block level, which tag inline, sir. Every tag ending, I'm covering this point. I'm going to explaining this point. Your duty just remembering of that one. And the next and the last is syntax. H1 open and type your text and H1 close. So this is the pair tag, opening tag and closing tag. Between that, what we typed, that becomes as a body of the tag. But what H1 is doing, sir? What H1 is doing, sir? What are the text you typed here? The text displaying in the heading 1 format. What are the text we typed here? The text displaying in the heading 1 format and with big size, thick letters. Same way, second tags are H2, text and H2 close. Same way, H3 also. Balance 3 tags, just follow yourself. Just change the number, that's all. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6. Same syntax. 3 tags I typed, sir. Balance tags you can follow yourself. Just a syntax only. Now we'll see the examples on these tags. You can observe the procedure, sir, what I'm following. Tag name, explanation about the tag, syntax, and then example. Okay, this is the pattern I'm following up to the last explanation about this HTML and CSS. Name of the tag, theoretical explanation, syntax, immediately example. Same pattern I'll follow in the future also. Example on heading tags. So what we are typing in this program, it's a small message I provided here. So go to the body, take the H1, print any message, your name or something, anything, one small text. I'm going to printing our subject name only, sir. Hyper text markup language. We can print any data, there is no problem. Your name also you can print it. H1 tag is opens and some content. Then H1 tag is close. But what are the data we typed here? His hypertext markup language. That data browser printing in the form of H1. Browser printing this data in the form of H1. But H1 is the tag. Tag is a set of instructions. Remember? Browser following the H1 tag instructions and producing the output. Browser following the H1 tag instructions and producing the output. Initially program completed, sir. I have to add the more lines, but initial program completed. Then what to do, sir? Go to the file menu and save. Go to the file menu and save it. Where, sir? Your location, I already said your interests are something. But I'm doing the small things are here. In E drive, I'm creating a folder for our batch. There are already other folders available, HTML 730, HTML 930. Like that, I'm creating one folder for our batch with the name of HTML 2 PM. Why folders, sir? Today programming started, sir. Daily we are writing examples. But these all examples storing in the different locations, better maintain neatly inside one folder. Copying also easy future. And sharing of this program through Google Classroom also it becomes as easier. In E drive, I created a folder with the name of HTML 2PM. In this folder, I'm saving my example 1. Example 1. Extension already what we have here? HTML available. So you can forget about the extension. You just write the file name only because already extension HTML selected here already. Location observe once E drive HTML 2PM example1.html. Save it. Yes. Done. It displaying also. You can clearly see the top of the program. E:/HTML 2PM / example1.html. What it is visible here, the same address as easily type in the browser. The same address as easily type in the browser. Open browser. Type the address. E:/HTML 2PM / example1.html. Press enter. And that is our output. And a small note points are here. Sir, when you are typing the address, / we have to type or / we have to type it, sir. Okay, slash is 2 models available. E:, this slash is one option. E:// or // which is acceptable, sir. Both okay, sir, no problem. Don't think about the slash. / accepted, / accepted. Which is preferable in the program, sir? / is the preferable. Instead of / use maximum /. My website's URL, remember? Your website's URL. http:// which is slash? /, not /. The URLs always prefer to use the /. The same / use better in our programs. Now back to program once again. I'm writing the second tag also, sir, with the same matter. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Why you are not changing the message, sir? Intention. Why, sir? The sizes we want to compare. H1 to H2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, size comparison required. If it is same data, sir, easy to compare. Different data, comparison problem is comes, sir. Then only the same text I displayed in the 6 formats. Highest size to least size. Highest size to least size. You can see now here, this is. This is the biggest size, sir, and this is the smallest size. Difference observed, na? H1 to H6. Whenever the number is increasing, sir, cordially size is going to reducing. But at the time of web page designing, which size headings you require, identify and use the corresponding tag. That's all. Now the small funny examples are a situation suitable. If you observe all these 6 headings, it look like as one shopping mall. Dresses shopping malls available, lifestyle, central, max. If you go for any of the shopping malls, stalls available, different companies. Go to one stall, some whatever it may be. Same t-shirt, same color, same designing, same stitching. How many available? Stitching style is same, painting same, design same, model same, buttons also same. With the same color, how many pieces available? So many pieces. What is the difference in that pieces? This is also size. Hmm. You got t-shirt, HTML t-shirt with small size, HTML t-shirt with medium size, HTML t-shirt with large size. This is double XL. This is double XL. This is triple XL. Mhm. Same t-shirt I arrange it like this, sir. Same data I arrange it like this. Now jeans pants, t-shirts, how they are placing in the shelf, I also place it the same heading. It's six various sizes. This one పెడుతున్నారు. Next, I'll give the small awareness point here. Sir, we usually here H1 to H6 in the serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In every program we have to follow the same order, sir. Every program we have to follow the same order. 100% wrong, sir. The explanation, learning purpose, uniform order I am explaining. At the time of web page designing, as per the page requirement, we have to follow the order. Not in the serial order, not in the sequence order. Just for that awareness, I'm adding few more headings here. See that. Again, H1 repeated. What is the heading, sir? Cascading, style, H1 close. Next, one more heading repeating. H3. What is the heading, sir? JavaScript. So what is the intention of here, sir? Order not compulsory to follow. Second thing, repetition. H1 two times I used and H3 also. H1 two times I used and H3 also two times I used. And here combination changed, see that. H1 next I directly used the H3 with just awareness points. Combinations of the tags 100% programmer's interest. Order of the tags also 100% programmer's interest. Example, sir. You went to some party, sir. Your friend birthday party or your friend engagement party, your friend marriage day, something like that. Batting section available, night dinner section, but it's a buffet of 15 to 20 items was continuously placed on the table. In which order you are going to taking the items? Veg, non-veg, sweet, hot, everything, rice, pulkas, rotis, everything, 20 items are available on the tables, buffet. Which order? First, which item? Plate. Why plate? Direct. Compulsory, plate. Plate compulsory, But before that, hand washing, no, na? That's like Corona season, sir. So plate, tissue, hand washing, these leave it. 20 items, so first which item you are taking? As per your interest or as per their serving order? Combination of items, your interest. Order of items, your interest. Repetition of item, your interest. 20 items in the buffet, like that 100 tags in the HTML. Big buffet, this one. In this 100 tags, which tag I have to use, sir? A situation deciding. Means the need of the program is deciding. Uniform order following no rule. We can repeat or not repeat, sir. That doubts also meaningless. Every tag is repeatable. Combinations your interest, order your interest. No objections in that one. So if you got anywhere the doubt, this order correct or not, immediately recollect the example of the buffet batting. You will get the clear clarity. So this is the first, second tag, sir. Comments first tag, headings are the second tag, and final output of the program is this one. Size increased meaning is head tag name is changed. Now I have the small doubts here, sir. But why all the data printing in black color only? Why all headings are displaying in the black color only? Default instruction. Tag is a set of instructions. As per tag internal instruction, browser displaying the data in black color. Why all headings are displaying the left side of the browser only? That is also default. That is also default instruction is sir. What are the outputs you are getting inside the web page? Every output to presentation reason is the tag internal instructions. I don't like the black color, sir. We can change. I don't like the left alignment, sir. We can change. How? By using CSS. If you want to make any changes in these existing outputs, we have to use the CSS. So HTML producing some level of outputs initially. As a developer, you don't like that output patterns, output sizes, colors. Compulsory, we have to introduce the CSS also. Guarantee, sir. Without touching the CSS, you can't change anything here. 100%. Next, I'll share a small link to user for accessing of your nodes from the day 1 to till today. What are the things we discussed? For online students, I'm dropping the link in chat box. Please copy from the chat box. For offline students, I'm displaying on the screen. Remember the small things, sir. This is a temporary link initial for referencing of you. Daily somebody they're asking, sir, nodes are, nodes are, nodes are. So for those students, a temporarily link generated. Remember, this is the case sensitive letters. Letters are case sensitive. Visibility problem available. I'll apply the magnifier. Just wait. Alphabets are the case sensitive. Don't neglect. Open browser either in mobile or computer. Anything. Just type these 10 letters. Directly one nodes is opens. A document is opens. In the document from the day 1 to till to date, every theory part is there. And including your previous videos, links also available. I'll just open it for your convenience. See that one. Just this link. Go to the browser. Type in the address bar. No usernames required, no passwords required, no joinings also required. Just type the 10 letters and press enter. An MS Word file is open, so see that one. MS Word document opens. Here we have some videos, links also, sir. And bottom, your theory part is also there. Everything is available. Last 4 or 5 days onwards, what I am explaining, because this is our today's explanation. Observed? Comment lines, HTML tag. This is tomorrow's explanations. Tomorrow's explanation also available here. One small note here. Remember, this is the temporary link. We'll get the Google Classroom link on the next Monday, sir. Coming Monday, we'll get the Google Classroom link. So that's why in 3-4 days gap is available. Na? In 3-4 days for your reference, this link I created for your sake only. Monday we'll get the official Google Classroom link. Then I will announce in the class like this only. Next, theory part completed. We started programming also. You can also start the practicing of the programs. If you have your own laptop, so you can practice in laptops, sir. If you don't have your own system, so you can go to practice in our institute lab. Where is our lab, sir? In the same building, top floor. Same building, top floor, our institute lab available. Their lab faculty is also available. You can just go and practice there. Your personal systems available, you can practice in personal systems. We don't have any systems, sir. Plus, I'm not interested to go for the lab. Both. I don't have my personal system. Plus, not interested to go for the lab. But still, I want to practice it, sir. Weapon is available. All-in-one weapon, mobiles. Our HTML programs, we can practice in mobile also, no problem. You can practice in mobile. For that, a small app you have to install, sir. Quick Edit and one app is available. Of course, you can search your own apps. I don't have any problem. So go to the Google Play Store, Quick Edit. This is the app name. Download from the Play Store. So what is the use of this app, sir? HTML programs, CSS programs, JavaScript programs, you can practice in your mobiles only. 80% of programs we can practice in the mobile. Who doesn't have the systems for those? This is my suggestion. My suggestion, not interested candidates, go to the Play Store, search yourself only, download your own app, practice it. Your choice. This is, I think, my suggestion. Okay. So balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all. Sir, the link is not getting classroom. I already said, sir, it's not Google Classroom. It's not Google Classroom. I prepared. Just like this one directly, that is what. File opens.